In this tutorial, we will learn how to use table driven pattern and create these holes or these patterns. For that, we need one coordinate system for reference point and one pattern, which whatever pattern you want. Okay. So let's see how we will do this. Okay, this is the 140 by 110 millimeter plate or surface or body, you can say 10 millimeter thick. And here we created one hole, 8 diameter hole. Now this hole I want to make uh, I want to make multiple pattern on different directions. So let's see how we will do this. First, I am going to define the reference point or coordinate system. Now, if you drop down reference geometry, see here coordinate system. Now here choose point. See, this time this is the point. Now select this end point. See, now Z axis I will keep upward and XY on this plane because we will put dimension on XY plane. So X axis, select this one. Now here select Y axis, select this line. And see Y axis going wrong direction, so change direction. And Z axis, select this bottom line. Now this is also moving wrong side, change direction. Now see X axis red color moving this side, Y green color moving this side, and Z axis moving upside. Okay, we need this one because we are going to apply X and Y point. Say okay. See here we define the coordinate system. Let's open text. Now here I'm going to place all the coordinate system. So let's make 3 row of coordinate system. 25, this is X direction, comma, then Y direction 20, enter, again 25, comma 40. Now same thing I will repeat, whatever requirement. Let's complete this one. Okay, this one line is complete, X 25 and Y something. Now let's make X 50. Then same thing, let's say repeat or something like 30. Okay, let's make this one 70. So now here I will make comma 90, enter. 4 point, let's make one more point, 50, 110, enter. Now let's make third row. Third row, let's say 80, 20, enter, 80, comma 40, enter, 80, comma 60, enter, 80, comma 80, enter, 80, comma 100, enter. Now see, these are the point for 3 line. Okay, 3 line and 5 row. Let me save this one. I already saved the name, so I simply save the coordinate points. Now drop down. Now let's open drop down linear pattern. Choose here table driven pattern. Now here let me select, here select read form table, browse the table. Here choose text file, coordinate points, open. Now see all the points at bottom. You will see all the points open here, 1 2 3 XY. See all up to 80 100. Okay, now reference point I am going to keep centroid as it is. Now coordinate system selected. Now which feature you want to copy, whatever type of pattern you want, you have to select here. So from here let me choose this extruded cut. See how this is going to pattern. 1 2 3 3 row. Simply say okay. Look, first row, second row, third row. This is 80. See, if you click and you will see all the points. See, so this is how you can use curve driven pattern, a table driven pattern, and create different types of patterns. I hope you like it. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.